Hello everyone, my name is Purva Jizabra Pawar. I pursue MBA from SANS Institute of Management. Today we are going to know about what is Porter's Diamond Model. Introduction. Porter Diamond is a model that emphasizes the competitive advantage of an industry or business that makes it work better than other competitors in a region or country. Also known as the Porter Diamond Theory of National Advantage, the model explains why certain industries thrive in a particular nations. Companies can use this model to analyze the competitive environment in a foreign markets before entertaining them. Porter's diamond is an economic model describing the factors that gives a business an edge over its competitors in a particular region. American academician Michael Eugene Porter developed the Porter's diamond model. It explains how companies with a national competitive advantage continue to enjoy the same in an international market too. The model is based on a unique framework consisting of four factors: company strategy, structure, and rivalry, factor condition, related and supporting industries, and demand condition. The role of government and chance also impact the competitive advantage of a business. Porter's Diamond Framework. The unique Porter Diamond Framework consists of four attributes or factors. If all these four factors are favorable, companies will innovate and stay competitive. This domestic competitiveness prepare them to excel in an international market as well. Besides, the role of government and chance or unpredictable external events also influence competitive advantage. First is a company structure, rivalry, and strategy. These aspects of the theory focuses on the competition in a native markets that businesses have to excel against. The region in which the firms operates determines the structure and strategies to be framed to compete in a home market. As a result, the strategies differ from nation to nation. For example, Italy, known for its fashionable clothing, will definitely have a different approach than Greece, which emphasizes tourism and related facilities. In addition, rivalry plays an important role in driving every entity operating in the same sector to improve, innovate, and perform better than each other. Second is a factor condition. Factor condition includes resources available to business that helps them perform well. The availability of resources could be influenced by the skill set, strategies, infrastructure, or nation. For example, Italy performs well because of its ability to choose better fabrics. Greece tourism market is influenced by the weather, which might keep changing. The natural resources constitute the basic factors, while the infrastructure, skill, experts, and capital form the advanced factors. A nation develops a real competitive advantage with the development of advanced element. In a contrast, the contribution of basic factors to regional advantage is comparatively lower. Third is a demand condition. The demand for a particular product or service also plays an essential factor. Porter Diamond Model's third attribute indicates how the increase in a demand for an item among local customer boosts the growth of a brand or business. When customers want a product, businesses strive to improve the quality and live up to their expectation. As a result, they become competent enough to acquire the number of one position on a global platform. Fourth is the supporting and related industries. Another factors that influence business growth is the complementary service that lend support to the companies of national advantage. For example, the tourism services in Greece would never be the best if the accommodation facilities that flood that facilities and food units over there did not support the industry. Fifth is government. The government also plays a vital role in developing and retaining the competitive advantage by offering a conducive environment for businesses to flourish. This includes developing a robust infrastructure, ensuring fair market practices, developing educational institutions, etc. Sixth is the chance. In addition, chance or luck may also contribute the competitive advantage or disadvantage. For instance, unpredictable events like wars, natural disasters, political situations, etc. can positively or negatively impact an industry or nation, creating a competitive advantage or whipping it off. For example, let's consider the following Porter's model example. The car manufacturing industry of Germany is one of the best examples to be cited here. The economy's base sector complies with all the attributes and thereof therefore strives through global challenges easily. With several competitors in the home market, car manufacturers continuously innovate and excel. As a result, the national manages to have the best car models. Having no speed no speed limit and as aspiration of citizens to have a quality and speedily life encourages the demand for high speed luxury cars in the nation. Besides, skilled resources like car engineers from globally recognized German universities give give car manufacturer as edge over others. Thus, the demand conditions and factors condition are all met. Next, the support for the metal industries that offers the best spare parts to the car manufacturer tends to be the best support system for the national market. Besides, the German government's supports in the form of better infrastructure and educational institution creates a national competitive advantage for the car industries. How to use Porter's diamond model? Some of the uses of a Porter's diamond model are as follows. It helps businesses understand the structure and techniques of their rival companies, allowing them to frame their strategies accordingly. Businesses use regional advantage to capture international market. They value suppliers as they understand the importance of their support. Firms of national importance get to know the power of buyers in enhancing business growth. The model teaches marketplace to innovate, remain updated, and put in their best efforts to fight the fear of being substituted. Thank you.